Howdy! Another milestone. Yesterday I put up the Bondo and then I sanded everything down. I don't know how well this is gonna show, but it turned out to be pretty good. This is already primer on it, so I primed it. I used a 100 grit sandpaper to sand the Bondo, and I waited about an hour after putting it on just to make sure it dries all the way. So this is regular primer on the Bondo. Wherever there is no Bondo, I use the self-etching primer. I'm not gonna wet sand these. I'm not worried about these because it's not visible. So today we are going to wet sand this area. So when I primed this, I put tape on so to prevent any kind of overspray, but that created kind of a sharp edge. You can feel it. If you put glossy paint over that edge, it's gonna show. So what we're gonna do with the wet sanding, I'm gonna make that transition smooth. So we're gonna wet sand this. Also, it's gonna remove or get rid of some of the pinholes that we have here. So that's what I'm about to do. I just use water, no soapy water. Some people use soap. I don't want to use soap. Bucket of water, a sponge, and 320, I believe this one is. And that's what we are doing. And we will super light just wet sand. I'm extra careful around the edge. It's really easy to over sand an edge like that. I also want to remove some of the clear coat from the original spot, so my plan is to make a super nice transition. What you want to do, you just want to cut into the clear coat, but not the original paint. It's very important. Clean the sandpaper always, because the primer is gonna stick into the sandpaper. Don't over sand. You don't want to expose metal again, because then you have to prime it again. Just a super light sand. That's all you want to do. can kind of see how the old paint transitions. Into the primer, and that's exactly what you want to do. Just scuff up the clear coat. That's what you want to do. Like that. Nice little transition. There is no longer an edge. That's about it. Bye.